For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Blockchain innovation is being proclaimed as the following large thing in various ventures. While the maximum capacity of this innovation is yet to be uncovered, it is as of now certain that blockchain has the ability to change the manner in which we carry on with work. Vechain is an organization utilizing blockchain to change the extravagance products industry. With an extraordinary experienced group and design titans as accomplices, it has previously created all in all a ruckus. Assuming you're keen on the venture's investigation and the Vechain cost expectation, then continue to peruse. Vechain is a blockchain stage that empowers organizations to construct decentralized applications, dApps, and manage exchanges with more noteworthy straightforwardness and security. With its blockchain-based arrangements, Vechain expects to address the difficulties of duplicating, store network the board, and information trustworthiness. By permitting organizations to follow their items and resources on the blockchain, Vechain gives a sealed answer for organizations and improved straightforwardness for purchasers. What is Vechain Vet? Vechain is a conveyed record innovation (DLT) stage that spotlights on working on store network the executives. The framework uses a mix of Internet of Things, IoT, gadgets and blockchain innovation to give perceivability, recognizability, and realness for organizations and purchasers the same. The stage was intended to zero in on the issues of falsifying and extortion in the store network industry. By utilizing the Vechain blockchain stage, organizations can follow the provenance of their items and guarantee that they are veritable. What's more, the stage can be utilized to follow the development of products and data through the store network. Accordingly, organizations can acquire more noteworthy perceivability into their activities and work on their capacity to oversee risk. The Vechain blockchain stage gives a useful asset to organizations that need to follow the provenance of their items and guarantee their legitimacy. Maybe the most one-of-a-kind part of Vechain is its foundation, which permits organizations to send off their own computerized tokens and raise finances through starting coin contributions. This adaptability makes Vechain an appealing choice for organizations hoping to smooth out their stock chains and tap into the thriving universe of crypto resources. With its solid group of counselors and accomplices, Vechain is strategically situated to proceed with its development in the years to come. Bright Liu, ex-CIO of Louis Vuitton China, laid out the Vechain group in 2015. They have workplaces in Shanghai, Singapore, and Paris. The task is controlled by Vechain Foundation, a philanthropic established in Singapore in 2017. On the Vechain organization, there are two unmistakable tokens, Vechain Token, VET, beforehand VEN, and Vechain Thor Energy, VTHO. The previous is utilized as gas or energy to influence exchanges utilizing brilliant agreements, and the last option is used to communicate cash across the Vechain organization. The VEN token was initially sent off on the Ethereum blockchain, however later progressed to its own mainnet and changed its ticker image as a component of the rebranding system. Might the Vechain at any point Vetcoin reach $1? The cryptographic money market is famously unpredictable, and foreseeing future costs is dependably a test. Nonetheless, in view of latest things, it appears to be conceivable that Vechain could reach $1 inside the following little while. The Vechain stage has been acquiring fame among organizations and engineers, and its cost had been consistently ascending before the crypto winter started. With additional organizations embracing Vechain for production network the executives and different applications, request is probably going to keep on developing. On the off chance that this pattern lives on, Vechain could undoubtedly reach $1 or significantly higher inside the following couple of years. Obviously, anything can occur in the crypto market, so this is in no way, shape or form an assurance. Notwithstanding, Vechain has all the earmarks of being situated for a long-haul achievement, and $1 appears to be a practical objective sooner rather than later. Vechain Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Vechain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Vechain will be $0.035. The greatest level that the VET cost can reach is $0.039. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.036. VET price forecast for September 2022. In light of the value changes of Vechain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical VET pace of $0.033 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.030 and at $0.034, separately. October 2022, Vechain price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the VET cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.033, while the greatest could reach $0.036 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Vechain may be around $0.034. VET price forecast for November 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Vechain in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal VET rate they foresee may be around $0.036 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.034 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.037. December 2022, Vechain price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the VET cost will be exchanged at $0.036 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Vechain worth to $0.039. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.035 in December 2022. Vechain price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Vechain in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Vechain will be around $0.053. The most extreme expected VET cost might be around $0.064. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.055 in 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Vechain, in 2024, VET is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0.076 and $0.091, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.079. Vechain price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Vechain and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base VET